Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, this, as you can see, is a gauge, a pump gauge, which goes in the fuel tank. This is from a BMW. This is advice for all of you who have vehicles, either rear-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, that have a pump. Especially a pump in the tank, in the back, in the fuel tank. Get used to not leaving the fuel tank in reserve. Okay, this is a pump, the gauge is this piece. Well, this pump is submerged in the fuel and this pump cools down. It cools down with the fuel that surrounds it. When the tank is in reserve, notice that the fuel would reach more or less halfway, it would start to heat up. These pumps are designed to withstand 200,000 kilometers without any problem. What happens if we leave it many times in reserve, and we hurry up the reserve more, because they end up heating up, and they end up burning, then the useful life is greatly shortened. I tell you from experience, in this car, for example, this car was left with little fuel for a long time. And in 200,000 kilometers that the car had, this is already the third pump that has been installed. Another thing, if you run down the fuel reserve a lot, think about the dirt that is in the tank, since in the end it may end up going through it. They have a filter on the bottom to filter the fuel, but if the reserve of fuel, the dirt that is in the fuel tank is more concentrated and will end up going through it. And then that dirt will go to the pump and can get to clog this pump, and also the other filter that you have in the vehicle. The fuel filter and even part of it accumulated dirt can also go through that other filter and would reach the discharge or injection pump and the injectors, with the consequent problem that it can cause. That's why I say, accustomed to not leaving the car in reserve and much less to rush the reservation. Well, I hope this video has been useful to you. Some of you surely already knew it, but others, no. But well, if so, do not forget to subscribe and like the channel.